No! And now you are?
Yes.
I love you! I laugh like a chipmunk. Okay, record my no voice. Was there like a weird look on my face? No, where's the car?
No!
I can't stop. Just like this. Stop.
No!
Where's the fork? Here, let's go take a tour of Beyonce's house and find the fork in the kitchen. See the lovely place.
I'm worried about myself.
Which cabinet is everything in? This fork. Yeah. Okay, let me see this. Stand there. Like.
No!
It looks like I'm poking you with a giant fork. Like on Andy Milonakis. I am such a Okay, here, let's eat you. Wait. I didn't even get that.
Oh, man.
Hi, what's your name?
No!
So what grade are you in?
Second.
Do you love your family? No, you're supposed to say no to make it funny.
No!
That's hard.
No, let's
Wait. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey, look, I put my hair up in this one.
I gotta be the soulful black man. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Don't do Jamaican, Mom. I can't. Oh, Gracie. Oh, do it.
Hi, I'm Gracie, and oh my god, so like I totally love like shopping and like hanging out with my best friend Risa.
Oh my god, wait,
and,
I
like,
need the best angle.
hold on. And I like shopping. I already said that at the mall because there's like totally cute boys at the mall, and I see them like and me and Risa, and it's just oh my god. And I buy like the cutest clothes and like Abercrombie, and everyone loves me, and yeah. Okay, let's see it. No.
Ow! Wait, I pulled your hair. How did that hurt me? Wait.
Those are not probably.
So it hurt me?
No, it's like that bad. Like, I don't know.
Wait.
Oh, you have to film me putting on chapstick.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, let's see it from your best angle.
Okay. Right now, I'm going to do putting on chapstick show.
Do putting on chapstick show.
Okay, ready? Go.
I love your chapstick putting on abilities. That you have your hand on. Wait, what's this?
I got an A on that paper.
Storming the gate? Does that say storming the gate?
Okay.
I think this video is long enough.
No, it's 4 minutes.
I know, because we gotta put it on YouTube.
No.
I have to put on 2 band-aids on my big toe on my left foot.
Hey, here, record me making
A piece of Matthew's thing that you were shooting.
I'm crazy. Do a monkey face, do it. Don't forget to stick your tongue out and cross your eyes.
I know.
Come on. My sister's a monkey.
Does anyone know the hind leg? Are you choking on laughter? Because I certainly was. You look so pasty. Oh my god! looks so big.
I learned how to peel an orange today because Brittany told me how. Can I use this?
Wow.
That stuff smells like booty.
Yeah, it does.
I felt it. I learned how to peel an orange.
Wait.
Okay, this video is over. Brittany.
Stop.